Hey guys, happy Thursday. It's a preschool day here, so I just took a Pilates class. I completely maximized my 4-hour window, so I just took a shower. I have a fresh face, washed, and I thought it'd be fun. You guys always enjoy these videos to show you my morning routine, and I'm pretty sure that I have this down to like 10 minutes or less. So I'm gonna time myself. I just wanted to share with you kind of what I do for my hair, for my skin, for my makeup routine on just like a normal mom day. I want to share a couple tools that I have been loving that are really maximizing just the products that I'm using on my skin. So I didn't wash my hair because it's still semi-clean. I washed it 2 days ago. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take it out of my bun. I just took a shower. You can see my roots are a little grown out, a little greasy, but I am using Watercolor Dry Shampoo by Evo. I got this on Amazon. I'll link to everything below. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna separate it and give it a good little spray at my base. While this is kind of absorbing, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna show you what I've been doing on my face. Do you guys seen these? This one is by Vanity Planet, but it is this hot, cool, rejuvenating facial one. And what you do, it has different settings. So I'm gonna turn it on to the hot setting. I usually do this in the morning and the night. I'm trying to be really good with my skin. I'm like mid-30s now. So my face is washed, and what I'm doing is I'm turning it on to the hot setting, and I am just doing it all over my face. And what it is it's kind of prepping my skin. It's opening my pores so that it absorbs all of the facial product a lot more efficiently than just without. And this tool I will link to you below. You can buy it from Vanity Planet, but I also have a coupon for 70% off. So this is regularly $200 and you can get it for like 60 bucks. This is a new step I've been doing lately, and I really have noticed a difference. Okay, so about a minute there. Then I've shared this before on my favorite things. This is a micro needling tool. This was like $6 or something on Amazon. I will link to below. And what I do is I also just go over my face really lightly. Again, it's another kind of pore skin opening tool. And I do it by my crow's feet and on my forehead and lightly kind of on my cheek and face. And this is just opening my skin. So I've been using a bunch of different things. I use just natural oils. I use primarily pure natural products, but I also use like Roden & Fields. So I'm just gonna rub a little bit of this cream into my skin. Wait about a minute, and then I'm going to take the rejuvenating skin one and I'm gonna turn it to the cool setting. And it's crazy, it gets like ice cold. It feels like you have ice packets on your face, and this then will help shrink my pores. It minimizes my lines, and it kind of, I feel like, helps set the product that I put into my skin. So I'm gonna, while my skin is absorbing the moisturizer, I'm gonna do my hair. I did the dry shampoo. Now I'm gonna kind of rub my fingers through it, brush my hair out. It's, you know, a little crazy from like the ponytail and whatnot, but I'm going to put it half up, half down. And I'm working fast here because I'm trying to prove to myself that I can do this within 10 minutes and film. Do you guys like my robe? My sweet sister-in-law gave this to me as a bridesmaid gift. We all had them on the wedding day, and I love it. It's the perfect, like, lightweight, soft, getting ready robe. So half up, half down, and I'm just gonna work in sections. I'm using like my OG Conair 1.5 inch barrel curling iron. So I'm just gonna do some quick curls. I curl it away from my face. I leave about 1 inch out. And my hair is gonna hold curl pretty well today since it is a little bit dirty. I don't wanna spend too much time on my hair because I'm not going anywhere. Great. Also, after I do the heat and the little micro needling, my skin feels a little red and inflamed, so that's why I'm waiting to do my makeup to kind of allow it to calm down again. And I will do the cooling feature over it. Tell you how much I love Tuesday, Thursdays now. This is the first year that I have all 3 kids in school. My girls are in preschool just 2 days a week for 4 hours, but it is like a dream, you guys. I know a lot of you have little kids at home, and you know, you feel like these days will never come. I was totally there too. I just felt like I could never fathom the day that I had 8 hours a week to myself, but I'm telling you, those days are gonna come. I promise you they will come. So I'm just kind of going over some parts that look a little frizzy still. Okay, I'm gonna take the top bun down. Also, when I'm curling, I'm just letting them sit and set. I'm not playing with them or touching them because I want them to hold the curl better. So if I keep them set and hot and don't touch them until I'm all done, I feel like it helps. Put up my hair. You guys have seen this hair thing before. All right, so it's on the cool section. It gets cold so fast, it feels like it's been in the freezer, and it feels so good on my skin. So I'm just pressing it in underneath my eyes, on each side here. And this comes with a charging cord and a little case and this little thing that cleans this, because it does get a little like greasy or oily from depending on what product you're doing. And the other day my allergies were so bad, I literally laid in bed at night with the cooling section and just like put it on my face. It felt so good, like ice pack. But this is so lightweight, easy, you can travel with it. This has just been a really awesome tool. And I've noticed my skin just being a lot brighter after using it. And I think it's really, this with the microneedler thing is really working like great. I don't want to set too much. I just take my fingers and I just run it through my dirty hair, wanting it to look semi-clean. Running it through. Okay, got some like loose beachy type waves here. So that's it for my hair. Now for my makeup, really easy. Obviously I have faux eyelashes on, so that's half the battle there. I really don't wear a lot of makeup during the week if I'm just kind of running around and doing the mom thing. But really quick, I've been loving this Laura Mercier primer, so I'm just gonna show you how I just bust this out. Just do like the tiniest bit. It has a little bit of shimmer. So if I didn't want to put any foundation on, I don't know, this just adds a nice little glow. This Estee Lauder Day BB cream, I wear it in light. Just take a little bit and use my fingers when I'm in a, like when I have time or I'm going on a date night and really trying. I use like more product and I use like a blender sponge and I really like try, but because again, I'm not going anywhere crazy. So that's all I do, like foundation wise. Sometimes I will It brand kind of concealer. I might do like a little bit here on my under eye wrinkles. Just kind of blend it in with my fingers here if I feel like I'm extra tired. I love this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I have been buying this now for the last year and I'm totally hooked. So I just take this, give it a little dab. I feel like sets everything. It doesn't have any color to it, so I'm just, hello mid-30s. I remember those days I never wore face makeup probably until like a couple years ago. And then I'm like, whoa, this is why this stuff exists. Oh, aging. It's a beautiful thing. Done. Wow, what an improvement. Beauty counter, bronzer, a matte bronzer. Love, love, love. Laura Geller Peach Baked Blush in Brighten Peach Delight. It's kind of like a highlighter blush in one. It's really pretty. And I love this Glossier Eye Brow Gel stuff. My eyebrows are super light. Really light as a blonde, and so I need help. I've been contemplating micro blading them, but I don't know, kind of scares me. So I'm gonna put these on. I need a close mirror. I'll be back. I'm gonna do a little Clinique mascara on my bottom lashes. My eyelashes get a little weird at the shower, the faux ones, so I just take like a dry mascara and brush them out. And if you guys have never tried faux eyelashes and you need a little like pizzazz and love in your life, treat yourself to faux eyelashes just once. You don't need to get a fill, but do it. The holidays coming up and they last like a good 3 to 4 weeks and you will be obsessed. Like it is my one guilty pleasure. Yes, everyone asks all the time, are those real eyelashes? No, they're not. No shame in my game here, but I just love them so much. So, you know, there you go. That's my little plug. And let's see the time. 13:52. Okay, I thought I could do this in 10, and I know I started this a little bit late. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna link to the products that are available to you below, including this killer rejuvenating facial wand, which would be an awesome gift for yourself or somebody for the holidays. So that's all for now. I'll see you guys later this week, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.